Cat's Money Army, I'm back again. So I was away for about 1 week. I was at upstate New York where I was filming content, but it's more so for my lifestyle adventures, not so much money-making content. But yeah, I had some videos that I've queued up for the past couple of weeks, where it was still released on a weekly basis. And, I will likely upload my adventures content on a separate channel under Cat's Adventures. Now, the whole purpose of this video is to discuss my monthly automated passive income. And I have several sources that are set up. In fact, I have these passive income that varies since last year. Like sometime I will spend more time on setting up more passive incomes, and sometimes I would focus more on working on a more active income. So passive income makes money, but nowhere as much as focusing on active income, right? But yeah, the whole point of this is to illustrate that it is possible to collect money while sleeping. Oh, please do me a favor, smash the like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. One of the apps I would recommend setting up passive income is to use Fetch. Now, I've mentioned Fetch on my previous videos. For example, I was able to get a free Nintendo gift card using Fetch. I've also got free Amazon gift cards. So Fetch basically lets you scan your receipts and earn money from it. The second part of Fetch is it automatically scans e-receipts. And e-receipts are, let's say, something that you purchase from your Amazon account or your Target account, and you receive a receipt to your Gmail or Yahoo account or something. Well, when you have the Fetch set up, there's ways to associate your Amazon or Target accounts with Fetch. So each time when you buy something from them, you automatically collect points. And these points in returns are converted to cash. So typically, I would say 1,000 points represents $1. So when you accumulate up to 10,000 points, that's roughly about $10. I'm using the word roughly because depending on your cash out method, it varies. Like, for example, when I cashed out the Nintendo gift card the other day, it was about 10,000 points, and that equates to $10. But if you were going to use like PayPal or Visa card, you may have to accumulate over 12,000 points just to cash out $10. So that's what I mean when I say roughly. It really depends on the cash out method that you're using. Okay, so I have Fetch loaded up on my iPad. Now, on Fetch, there's ways to actually break down our points by month. So what I would do is basically click on the upper right-hand corner, click on my current balance, 2,216 points. And as soon as I click on this guy, there is a receipt points towards the middle section. And there are 3 different tabs: week, month, and year. So let's go ahead and click on month, which I have it enabled. And right now it's displaying the current month, which I haven't really done much shopping for. We're only the second day of September. So click on the back arrow and it will actually summarize our monthly earnings. So for August, I've earned 1,218 points. That's about $1.21. Okay, up next on my list is Etsy. So for Etsy, there are 2 different apps. So when I'm on the App Store, we have the normal Etsy, which is an orange color icon background here. This one is more for users that want to shop. For Etsy Seller, there's a separate app that allows you to manage it. So let's go ahead and log into the Etsy Seller app. Okay, on Etsy Seller, as soon as I log into the app, the homepage displays various stats. Now, the section that I want to click on is how much money did I make within the past 30 days. And for the month of August, I would consider this passive income because on my Cat's digital bookstore, I sell nothing but budget sheets, templates, coloring books. These are all digital products that were created with Procreate to create these cute little templates to help you earn money while having fun. So yeah, according to this here, the last 30 days, I've sold 2 orders for my money challenge templates, and that totaled to $3.48. So, this is another passive income. And, if I were to filter it on this year, I'll show you guys how much money I made this year. So this year I have a total of 6 orders. That totals to $11.44. Now, Etsy was something I started last year. I'm not an expert by any means, so I'm still learning, the ins and outs of Etsy, but I felt like Etsy is great for you to buy digital products or anything where you want it to be customized, like bridesmaids, socks, t-shirts, any kind of customization that you're looking for. I think Etsy offers a lot more than those typical online stores like on eBay or Amazon. Another favorite app of mine is Eureka. I mentioned Eureka probably the most out of every survey apps that exists. So Eureka, I would say, is also passive if I were to count just the referral links. And let me show you guys some examples here. After when I click on profile history, the screen displays my most recent transaction, and the transaction that I would classify as passive income, like automated money that comes in, are the transaction that has this prefix referral. So like referral credited means that someone used my referral link, they completed a survey, and I also get a small percentage of their completed survey reward. So this last one here, for example, on September 1st, yesterday, I received 1 cent. Now for the purpose of this video, I will not be counting anything that was earned in September. I will only add up the referral credits that occur in August. So, I have like referral credited back on August 28th, 1 cent, 1 cent, 3 cents, 3 cents, 1 cent, 7 cents. It varies. And then I believe the referral sign up actually rewarded me more. Let me find some referral sign up. Oh, here we go. So referral credit, 25 cents. That was when someone used my referral link and signed up to it. So yeah, currently the reward is 25 cents for any surveys completed. Based on the averages that we just witnessed, it ranges anywhere from 1 cent up to 20 cents. Now for the transaction that shows survey completed, like this one, for example, on August 20th, it shows 42 cents. Well, that was me actively pursuing a survey, so I would not classify that as my passive income. So let me just add all of these up for you guys on a spreadsheet. So on my spreadsheet, after when I plug in all of the history transactions for the month of August, I received $3.62 for referral links, whether they sign up with my link or they completed their surveys. So $3.62 is my passive income for Eureka for the month of August. But yeah, let me show you guys one more example here. Same thing for the survey spin. We'll click on profile, history, and for survey spin, I believe I have one for September 1st, 1 cent. And I have also one from August 3rd, earned 5 cents for referral credit. All right, next, let's talk about the stock market. It is possible to invest money in stocks as well as ETF to earn dividends. And so that's what I will be demonstrating here. The first account that I wanted to demonstrate is my Schwab account. So let me pull up Schwab on this iPad here. Okay, for Schwab, one of my accounts, I have this ETF, QYLD. It's basically an ETF that sells covered calls for S&P 500. And, when this company sells covered calls, they basically pay you out in form of dividends. QYLD, I've earned 80 cents. On August 29th, I've earned another 82 cents from August 2nd. These are just some examples of earning dividends by investing in stocks or ETF. Okay, in one of my Fidelity account, I have SPAXX. That's the stock ticker for money market fund. I collected $17.97 on August 31st. I've also owned ETF SPY. Ticker is SPYI. And that's similar to the QYLD fund where the company basically sells covered calls and they pay you out in form of dividends. So I collected $17.51 on August 25th. Now, this is just one of my accounts. For my second account, I've earned 17 cents from my money market fund. Is dividends received Fidelity Government Money Market. Ticker is SPAXX. I've also set up a separate portfolio to generate weekly income, which I will post another video later on. But yeah, these are just some examples of earning money, while just sleeping. So just to recap what I've discussed earlier, I've recorded everything on my Excel spreadsheet. And column A shows the platform, platform, like where it came from, what's the source. Product could be my stock ticker, what I sold on Etsy, or how I make money from. Is it referral links, receipts? Column C is the dollar amount. So that's the total dollar amount per product that I've sold or product that I've invested in. Column D is the date. And column E is where I've kind of categorized the different weeks. So it let me know, okay, on week 1 of August, did I earn any money? On week 2, did I earn any money, right? Week 1, I've earned 82 cents. Week 2, I've earned $2. On week 4, I've earned $19.01. Week 5, which is the last week of August, I've earned $23.83. So that total up to $45.66. And again, this is just passive income. I'm not including any active income. I'm not including my day job. So, this is just one of many ways to earn passive income while you're eating, sleeping, taking a shit, whatever the hell you're doing every day. But yeah, I've also took a step further. I've created charts. So here is a circle or a pie chart I've created with Excel. And this kind of gives me like a nice high level of, okay, out of the various sources that I have set up to earn passive income, which one earns the most? According to the chart here, this gray colored pie chart, 81% comes from the stocks or ETF. And then the next bucket, eStore, is my Etsy, and surveys. They're pretty much tied. It varies every month. Sometimes I have more sales from Etsy. Sometimes I have more like survey referrals. It all varies. And to be honest, my referral credits start kicking in sometime this month, even though I've been posting videos since last December. But I'm sure there's a lot more apps that I have installed. I set up passive income, like my surveys. I have so many surveys apps, it's almost impossible to go through every one of them within this video. I will likely set up a separate video to discuss making money off various survey apps. But yeah, I hope everyone finds this video helpful. And I'll talk to you guys next time.